In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically send calendar invites for webinars in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a clean setup where every new registration automatically receives a calendar invite with the join link, so attendees never miss your session. First, head to the official GoHighLevel website and sign into your account dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct sub-account for the brand or client you're working on, so everything lands in the right place. Next, open Settings and select Calendars. Create a new calendar dedicated to your webinar. Keeping a separate calendar for each event makes tracking registrations and attendance much easier and keeps your automations organized. Configure the core details. Add a clear webinar title, set the exact date and start time, and choose the duration. Double-check your time zone and the duration so the invite reflects the actual session length. Clear details in the calendar will carry through to the invite your attendees receive. In the calendar settings, enable the Send Calendar Invite option. This ensures an actual calendar file is delivered, so attendees can add the event to Google, Outlook, or Apple Calendar with one click. Add your meeting link directly into the event. Paste the attendee join link from your webinar platform, such as Zoom or Google Meet. Be sure it's the participant link, not a host link. Click Save to lock in your calendar configuration. Now create your registration form. Go to Sites, then Forms or Funnels, and build a simple form for signups. Include essential fields like name and email to keep conversion rates high. Connect that form to your webinar calendar so each submission creates an appointment. This link is what turns a basic form fill into a booked spot on your webinar calendar. Open Automations and go to Workflows, then click Create Workflow. This is where the actual invite sending will be automated. Add the Appointment Book trigger. This tells the workflow to run whenever someone registers for your webinar. If available, select your webinar calendar within the trigger, so only those appointments start this workflow. Add a Send Email action. Write a friendly confirmation that includes the webinar title, date and time, and the same join link. Keep it concise and make sure the details match your calendar settings. If you're using GoHighLevel via browser, you can find the official website link at the top of the description. Publish your workflow to make it live. Finally, submit a test registration using your own email and confirm that the calendar invite arrives automatically with the correct time and join link. Thanks for watching.